Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we'll be doing another unboxing of a Bluetooth speaker. First things first, I found this in Lazada and it's pretty affordable. It's actually very cheap. It's less than 300 pesos plus delivery. I did a lot of research lately because I want to find a product that's really quality and really affordable so that my viewers could buy it immediately without hesitation. Okay, so this is not 500 pesos, this is not 600 pesos, this is not even close to 1,000 pesos. It's just below 300 pesos. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce to you the Ipipoo YP-7. Okay, here it is. So first things first, we'll be doing actually an unboxing, but just to give you some preview, the quality of the box, actually it's very thick. It's really quality. Look at it. And the design is also great. It means that they're not skimping out on the design and they know that first impressions last. So they really gave me a good first impression. Okay, so without further ado, let's do some unboxing. Woohoo!
Bluetooth mode has been on.